machine. As you know, simple machine is used to make our work easier. We use simple machines in our daily life. Pulley is one of them. In villages, people use pulley to draw out water from wells, which is pulley. It is made from a grooved wheel and a rope. I made it from the waste material I found in my house. Like this base of the water well. This is an empty box of borosilicate glass. I covered it with chart and then I decorated it with brick pattern. Then I used a mold tetra pack and made some rolls out of it. Then I decorated them with colorful tape. I made some support triangles from cardboard at both sides. Then I inserted a grooved wheel from the sewing machine. The most interesting part, this bucket. This was the lid of a Surf Excel bottle, and I made 2 holes and then I inserted a wire to make the handle. Then I tied a rope to the bucket and I rolled it on the grooved wheel, the thread. Let me show you how it works. See how it works? I hope you find my video useful. Bye. See you next time in my next video.